In Crimea's capital, you still see men in green. The local militias or self-defense units that helped tear this land from Ukraine are now policing its streets.
Не очень хорошие у меня мысли.
This commander tells me they're helping out while corrupt police officers are purged.
They are all self-defense units.
So you were surrounded?
I was surrounded.
Abdulrahman Egiz recently met a group of green men who he says demanded to see his identification. He says this security video shows what happened when he refused.
They used violence against me.
They punched you?
Yes, directly, yes, of course.
Egiz is a leading member of the Crimean Tatar community, an indigenous ethnic group that opposes Russia's annexation of Crimea.
We as the community, we cannot guarantee security of our people.
Liza Bogutskaya says she's a member of another unwelcome minority. She's an ethnic Russian who campaigned against the Russian takeover.
Have you ever been threatened?
I received emails telling me how they will deal with me, she says. Life is now also more challenging for people who wanted to join Russia. This is a part of daily life here, lining up to go to the bank or pay bills. This man says, it's shameful. I've been waiting 4 hours. It was never like this before. That's because Ukrainian banks have shut down and left Crimea. Russian banks are now just starting to open. The problems are only temporary, this woman says. Almost everyone here tells us they have no regrets. I'm absolutely happy. I'm happy that I'm in Russia. There's even more pro-Russian fervour outside this office where Crimeans are lining up to apply for new passports. Natalia proudly shows off hers. She says she always loved Ukraine but felt pain because she wasn't Russian. Russian pride is always at its strongest on May 9th, the anniversary of Soviet victory over Nazi Germany. This year, Crimea is planning a big party. Popular rumour says the special guest will be the Russian president. We love Putin very much, this woman says. He's the only president in the world it's impossible not to love. Much of the world does not love Putin's actions in Crimea. A presidential visit would show just how little that concerns him. Phil Black, CNN, Sevastopol, Crimea.